Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to SCALE Conference 2026 Mumbai. So I have with myself a very unique guest. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. Myself, Ojeshwan. So I had the e-mobility at Torus Robotics.
Okay. So describe what does your company actually do?
So we manufacture advanced, high-end, compact, lightweight, high-efficient electric motors for EV application and industrial application.
Okay, so what is different about your motor compared to everything else?
So our motor is an axial flux motor. So almost any motor you see in the world or the current market is a radial flux motor. So the stator and the rotor is radially placed. It's like a bottle cap to say in layman terms. But here in our motor, the stator and the rotor is parallelly placed. One on the top. It's like a sandwich. You can take it as a. So here you can stack in multiple, so you can have a configuration of dual stator, single rotor, or you can have a dual stator, dual rotor, single rotor concepts.
So basically customer can tune with you how much power density they want and okay. Okay, so
scale it.
Does it consume magnets?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a permanent magnet synchronous motor kind of. Okay. Okay, what about the driver circuit? Like how do you drive this?
So we have an MCU, motor controller unit. So we have like 4 types of controllers. So we have desk 100, 300, 500 and desk 700. Depending on the use case, we give you the motor controller.
Okay, what about those motor driver? Is that made in-house?
Yes, everything motor and the controller is made completely in India.
Okay, so what sort of voltage range people are looking for this sort of motor?
So we have motors, the same motor. This is a V1 motor, which is a single stator, single rotor. It can drive between 48 volt, 60 volt and 72 volt. It can go up to 84 volt.
When you're talking about 84 volt, are you talking about the motor or are you talking about the motor driver?
The motor and the controller together, yes.
Okay, okay. So you sell this as a complete package?
Yes,
like,
complete package. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes, and the biggest advantage is this is a universal controller. This can be tuned in any motor. So you can tune in a BLDC motor, a hub motor, or a PMSM axial flux motor, or a radial flux motor.
Okay, so does your company sell that motor driver as independent?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We sell this individually also. We combine this and we also combine motor controller gearbox. And also we are also working in for a 4-in-1 solution where the motor controller gearbox and the cluster goes in as a complete solution.
Okay. So is this motor classified as a like high high torque motor or high speed motor?
Yeah, it's a high torque motor.
Okay, so this can directly drive a wheel of let's say a motorcycle or basically a 3-wheeler directly without requiring a gear.
It's actually a mid-drive motor, so you need to have a gearbox.
Okay.
So the max RPM it can go is up to 6,400 at 72 volt, and if you do field weakening, it can go up to 6,800 to 7,000 RPM.
Okay. Okay. What about cooling? How do you cool these?
So we have 2 types of cooling. One is air cool. This is a motor you see here is an air cool motor. We also have liquid cool motors coming up. So you have a pump setup, you have a radiator setup that cools, keeps on circulating and cools the motor, stator side.
So in this scenario, you cool the stator.
Yes.
Okay. So that I think is more suited for electric vehicles where the airflow is not open and all that.
Yes.
Okay. So that's the vehicle use. Are there any other customer who are interested into this sort of technology?
Yes, there are a lot of customers who's interested. So the main target segment is for high performance EVs.
How performance?
High performance EVs.
EVs. Okay.
Yeah. So anyone who's looking for a high performance compact compactor and efficiency. So people looking for efficiency. So currently we are working on with the tier 2 companies, and basically we are also working on with the tier 1 companies, AGV, AMR companies for the compactness.
Okay. So what, how does this cost? Like if I'm comparing this to what is available in the market, how do you rate yourself? Like is it how much expensive, or like is it same price or cheaper? Like how does it?
So when you compare it, when you go in volumes, right? It's almost we are par with the radial flex motors, motor manufacturers. But maybe in low volumes we might be like 5 to 10% expensive.
Okay, low volume define like are you talking about hundreds?
Less than 100.
Less than 100, it will be only few percent more expensive.
Few percent, yes.
Are you able to work with companies who want to develop prototypes?
Yes, we are.
So, because again, they will not require 100, they will require few, but you can work with them, right? Okay, what about your motor driver that makes it configurable? Like, do you have a interface where you can work with it, or like, does it require custom programmer?
Yes. We have a separate software where you can tune in the motor current, RPM, voltage, the field weakening, all those setups. Okay. So you can custom in all the parameters, and you can also code in.
Okay, so it is flexible
Yes,
motor driver. It's
yes.
not locked in, and you can
Yes,
tune
we
it.
give you the software.
Okay,
We,
okay. So
we give the motor along with the software.
so if somebody is willing to develop something more in tuned, they do not have to just like, okay, this is what I buy, this is the end. Like you can tune with
you
them.
can tune.
Okay.
We just not give you a plug and play motor
Okay.
and controller. You can tune it. So you can, this motor can be used in for by the students, by the OEM, because we give it as a complete solution.
Okay, complete solution. Okay, so what do you think? Why should somebody try to get into this? Like, what is the main benefit that if I'm getting into this?
Yeah, I can give you 3 parameters. First thing is the compactness of the motor. Okay. Second thing would be the efficiency of the motor.
How much?
The efficiency of the motor is 95 to 98%. So that is one major factor you can try to work on. Third thing would be the combination of the solutions and the software, whatever we give it.
So basically this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not just a dumb motor and driver take it and go. It's a smart solution where you can actually tune it, refine it, and you will support your customers in order to like just get the most out of it. Not just like, okay, you bought it the end.
Exactly. Yes.
So
yes.
okay, so it's a complete solution.
Complete solution.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are you looking forward to now? Like this company has been made, so what are you looking forward to now?
So next is we are almost supplied almost 100 motors right now. The next is scale up. So we are also going to set up our own plant and start supplying to the OEMs. So next is the next goal is to scale up.
Okay, is it manufactured in India?
Yes, completely in-house.
Okay, where?
In Chennai.
In Chennai, you make, and I mean everything. Like you design the brain behind it, you design the motor, rotor, stator, all
completely in-house, made in Chennai. Yes.
Yeah. So not made in China, made in Chennai.
Made in Chennai.
Made in Chennai.
Oh yes.
Okay. So, okay, tell our audience how they can reach you or your company.
Yes. You can reach out to Torus Robotics. You can look out www.torusrobotics.com and you can reach out to us at 9042794252.
Okay. So are you available on LinkedIn?
Yes.
Okay. This exact name?
Yes.
Oh.
Torus.
Okay. So this was a conversation with made in India, Axial Flux motor with a smart brain, not dumb brain, smart brain, and not made in China, made in Chennai.
Yes.
So this was an interesting conversation. I hope you guys have liked it. Thanks for watching.